So moving further, next we have types of communication. So under the types of communication, we have first is one-way communication. One-way communication. Okay. So by the name we can suggest or we can get what could be one-way Okay, this combination is too bad. Yeah, we will take different color. Okay, we'll take green, red. Yeah. So what is one-way communication? See, by the name we can say one way is only from one side. You are only from one side. We are communicating. For example, if someone is if you are listening radio, okay, or you are reading newspaper, so you are getting information from one side. You cannot put your information there, or you cannot insert your thoughts there. Okay, or in the TV when we are watching TV. So this is the example of one-way communication. And this one-way communication is also known as didactic communication. Okay, remember this. They will ask, they give you this didactic communication, and we will get confused. Okay, this is also known as didactic communication. Then we have two-way communication. Two-way communication means where you can hear the thing and you can interrogate or you can argue the thing, or what we call like a debate. In debate we have from favor also and against also. Okay, from both sides. Suppose if you will take here the example of group discussion, okay, or there is a panel of few peoples who are discussing about some topics, okay, or panel discussion we can say. So this is called two-way communication. And this two-way communication is also known as Socratic communication. This two-way communication is also known as Socratic communication. Okay. Next, we have verbal communication, which mainly we used to communicate by word of mouth, or visual communication by chart, graph, etc. So, no, we need not to read all those things. You need to remember that one-way communication is known as didactic communication, and two-way communication is known as Socratic communication. Okay. Then we have, yeah, we have one called gather approach. Gather approach. What is this gather approach? This gather approach is mainly done for counseling. Okay, for counseling. What is the full form of gather? Yeah, okay, for counseling. Yeah. Here, okay, first we'll start from G. So G stands for greeting, or greet the client. Okay. A stands for ask the client about their needs or problems. Then we have T. T is for tell different options to them. Tell different options. Okay. Then H. H is help them to take voluntary decision. You should not force them to take any decision. Voluntary decisions. Okay. Then E is for explain fully about the decision you had taken. Decision taken. Or instead of taken, decision chosen. Okay. And then R is for return for follow up. So yeah, this is about the gather approach. It is mainly done for counseling. Here G is for here among the gather we have G for greet the client. Okay. A for okay. A for ask. T for tell. H G for greet the client. A for ask needs. T for tell different options. H for help to take the voluntary decisions. Then we have uh, explain fully about the chosen decision. R for return for follow. This is the gather approach for counseling. Okay. Now moving further. Next we have snowball. Snowballing. It is also known as snowballing is also known as pyramidal group method. Pyramidal group method. Also known as pyramidal group method. Okay. What is this? This is a type of group discussion only. So you need to remember about what is snowballing. They will confuse you by giving this snowballing. Snowballing is nothing but a type of group discussion. Then we have Delphi method. Delphi method. What is this Delphi method? It is a systematic method of obtaining consensus from a panel of experts. Okay, without direct physical appearance means nowadays COVID had taught us doing this video calling and what we are doing now, na online classes and all. So this is something like that. So you are sitting here and panel of expert is sitting in Delhi or somewhere else or in Kerala and they are giving their opinion from them. Okay. So Delphi method, it is a obtaining consensus from panel of expert from panel without direct physical appearance, direct without their direct physical appearance. Okay. Now next we have colloquy method. Colloquy method. Okay. What is this? This is again, this is like a group discussion only. Means it is not a group discussion, but see, we are studying PSM. Okay. So it's not like we are sitting from 10 to 8 and we are finishing the PSM in one session. Basically we are taking small session to complete this. Okay. So colloquy is the number of sessions to find out the answer of a problem. Okay, or to find out the answer of any particular topic. Okay. So what is colloquy? Colloquy is the number of sessions to find out answers of a particular topic. So this is colloquy. Okay. Now next we have one name of one Apex Institute for Health Education in India. CHEB. What is the CHEB? This is Central Health Education Bureau. This it is located in New Delhi and it comes under Delhi Government Health Services DGHS. Okay, what is this? This is the Apex Institute of Health for Health Education. For health education. Okay, so this is about the communication and few and different methods of communication.